Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining me today. My name is Aisha. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my eyebrows. I'm kind of scared if you couldn't tell already. But basically, I think I've only ever gotten my eyebrows tinted once in my life, maybe twice. But yeah, it was when I was around 14 years old, which is like 10 years ago. And I have never done it myself. So this is gonna be an experiment. And what better time to experiment than when we are in quarantine and we don't have anything else to do. And also, if it's a disaster and it turns out really badly, no one is gonna see me with it. So that's great. I'm gonna be using a henna like cream dye, which I probably don't recommend because you can get like actual eyebrow tinting kits like specialized for eyebrows on Amazon, and they're super cheap. So if you want to do your eyebrows at home, probably get one of those. But I went to the supermarket the other day and I was like, I just want to dye my eyebrows, let's see what they have. And they didn't have like the specialized kits, but I did find a henna dye. So the one I'm going to be using is by Vitacare, and I live in Italy, so I don't know if you can get these anywhere else in the world, but it was the only one I could find. And this one is in the color 3, which is dark chestnut, so it's not black, but it's like a really dark brown. And it says to use it you also need some oxidizing emulsion like liquid, so I've got some of that here as well. If you ever do want to try this at home, then make sure you do a patch test, because a lot of people are allergic to henna. So you can just put like a little bit on the back of your ear over here, and you like wait 48 hours to see if your body has any reaction to it. So I did that, and I don't think I'm allergic because I didn't have a reaction. Okay, so before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload. So I've got a glass here. I don't have a shot glass, and this is probably a bit too big, but we're gonna use it anyway. As you can tell, I don't do this often. I mean, I've never done this before. So it says to mix 1 part of this cream with 1.5 parts of the oxidizing emulsion thing over here. So I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some, that's probably too much, but I've got some in there. So that's 1 part of that, and then it says 1.5 parts of this solution. So, oh, that smells so bad. I don't know, is that 1.5 parts? Ugh. Okay, and then I'm just mixing it with a Q-tip. Why is this white? That's so weird. Okay, so I'm just mixing it until it like has a kind of sour cream consistency, I guess. Don't try this at home, guys. I mean, with this kind of stuff. As I said, get an actual brow tinting kit. That's probably better. Okay, so I've mixed it up, and it's like, I don't know how to show you, but it's like a creamy consistency. Okay, and then to just protect my skin, you can do this or with Vaseline or with concealer. So I'm going to use concealer just to shape the brows before I put down the dye. So this just makes sure that if you get any on your skin, you can just wipe it off and you don't dye your skin. So I've just put down the concealer, and that gives me the kind of shape that I want for my eyebrows. Oh, it's getting brown now. Is it ready to use? I don't even know. I guess we have to wait until it's like darker. And to apply it, I'm going to use an angled brush. This is the Zoeva 317 wing liner, just so I can like fill them in properly and be more precise. You could use a Q-tip for this, but I feel like it doesn't have a pointy edge, so it won't be as easy to get a precise line. Okay, so I'm just going to wait a little bit until this gets darker. Wish me luck. Okay, so it's starting to develop, but the color is so weird. It's like lighter than my eyebrows. It says dark chestnut, but maybe it's gonna develop once it's on my eyebrows. I don't know. I'm just gonna start applying it to one eyebrow. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, taking that angle brush, and I'm just taking a bit, and I'm just gonna like, as if I was filling in my eyebrows. Okay, that looks dark already now that it's on my brows. So I'm just kind of drawing my eyebrows on how I would usually do them. I'm I'm just gonna do one and see how that goes, and that way we can like compare them. And then if you make any mistakes, you can just go in with the Q-tip and kind of clean it up, because we've got the concealer, so that really helps. Don't copy what I'm doing, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is gonna be a disaster, isn't it? I mean, it doesn't look that bad for now. I think I've got enough on. I don't know. We're gonna see how that goes, and if I need more I can always go back in later. I'm just gonna wait 10 minutes and then I'm gonna wipe it off and we'll see how it looks. I'm just putting more concealer on because I'm scared that I'm gonna dye my skin, and I don't want to dye my skin. So yeah, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Bye bye. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I hope it doesn't turn out this black when I wipe it off. Okay, so I'm just going to use a makeup wipe to wipe it off, I guess. That'll do. I mean, actually, it's a bit too dark maybe for my skin colour and my hair colour, I mean. Wow. Not that bad though. I think I just need to shape my eyebrows a little bit because they're looking a bit bushy now that I dyed them. I'm gonna take some tweezers and just like pluck some out. I don't like this bit up here. So here is one eyebrow. Look at the difference though. It did make a big difference. I didn't do it very well up the front here, but oh well. I think if I do soap brows, they'll look kind of cute. Excuse the concealer, by the way, I'm going to clean that up later. So let me just do the other brow and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So it looks like I have caterpillar eyebrows. Oh dear, this one turned out better than this one though. This one is super harsh. But I feel like if I do the rest of my makeup, it won't look as bad. I mean, but this probably saves filling in the eyebrows, because they look super filled in right now. What I'm gonna do is like do my makeup how I would usually do it and see how they look at the end. So 1 second. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Like I literally haven't filled my brows in. The only thing I did was put some soap in them so that they stood up more, but like clear soap. So that's amazing. Like I literally don't even need to fill in my brows, and I hate filling in my brows, so I am quite happy. I do think the colour is a little bit too dark for my hair colour, although it does match my roots here because obviously the salons are closed and I haven't been able to get my roots done, so that's good. But I mean, they didn't turn out too bad. Like at first, when I first saw them without makeup on, they were so harsh and they literally looked like two fluffy caterpillars on my face. But now that I've done the rest of my makeup, I think they look really cute. Really cute is a bit of an over exaggeration, but like they look quite nice, to be honest. So let me just zoom you guys in. So this is what they look like. As I said, I don't have any product in them except soap. Like brow gel, I mean soap. So this one turned out really nice. This one looks still a bit like sparse. I don't know why. I wish this one turned out like this one. I mean, I might redo them. Obviously, they're gonna wash out like as the weeks go by. I don't know how long they're supposed to last, but I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, let me know how you think they turned out. And also, I want to know if you guys tint your brows at home or whether you usually get them done in a salon. Obviously, desperate times call for desperate measures in quarantine. I mean, I just did this for fun and I'm quite surprised at how easy it was. Like, it didn't take long at all. So I might actually continue doing it. We'll see how they go throughout the rest of the week and like if they wash out super quickly or not. But I still have like a whole tube of this stuff left, so I can top them up if I need to. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.